Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today I have another interesting project for you guys. This project is called Short Tesla and I find it really new, something really interesting. And why is that? I will tell you in the video. So here I have their website open on in my background. Because as you know, a lot of anti-Elon tokens are out there. Stop Elon, F Elon, but this one is really different. This one is like literally something new. So how they grow is they grow when Tesla goes down. And I will break down some more things in video. Let's check out their website, how it works, what they are. Their pre-sale is going to start in some hours, so it is really early to jump in. So here we are on their website. You can see on your screen. This project is based on Binance Smart Chain, so you don't have to worry about the fee issue with Ethereum and stuff. Pre-sale starts in 7 hours right now while I'm making this video, so it's just short time. They will start the pre-sale soon. You can check out the prices here. Pre-sale price will be 0.0002, so there are not so many zeros are involved in this one, and that's a great thing. So on down you can see, check the tweets about Short Tesla. You can also share your tweet with them. You can check out their social media. That is really important part of any project. I always say and mention, always check out and follow their social medias. That will give you a lot of info about the project. So you can see here short map. First target, when Tesla drops to 530 per share, they have some targets to achieve. Then the second target, when Tesla drops to 465 per share, there is a second target, stuff like rebuying STSL with all profits made on shorting, new exchange listings, and burning event. So this project grows when Tesla goes down. So that's the interesting part, I guess it is in this project. Third target, fourth target, it is like a whole roadmap they have. Then here you can see Short Tesla's intentions, building an increases of tokens by the simplest possible way, which is to buy back and then burn tokens. So this is really interesting, and I really like their concept. Their website looks so authentic. Then the news, frequently asked questions. So their website overall looks really great. I really like the website, how it is. It is not really just another coin, so it looks interesting to me. Then you can see there's some tokenomics. Short Tesla goes up when Tesla goes down. So that was the part I was talking about. This one is really interesting and something new. 10% of each transaction goes to Tesla short BNB only. 3% of each transaction goes to locked liquidity. 2% of each transaction goes to Tesla short holders. So that's what their tokenomics are. So they are just starting up. You can see the pre-sale timer is gone. They will start the pre-sale soon, and I really feel like they will do something. As you know, a lot of anti-Elon tokens are already in market and they are becoming big. So this one is a whole project, and it feel like they can do something really amazing. And even they will 24/7 live stream their position on Twitch. All these things making it really interesting. And if you want to check them out, check out their social media, check out their website. If you want to join the pre-sale, you can. I will link it in my description box. And this is not a financial advice. Just do your own research before investing anywhere like that. I just provide you some selective projects I find interesting. So that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.